Suprema and timeware devices. As the range of attendance and access control devices has increased, we wanted to take the opportunity to explain which products we recommend for various types of installation.
So this is a Suprema N2 device. Obviously you can use this in an attendance, an access or an access control slave, but normally you'd use this in anywhere that you need to see the screen as a big function of using this as part of your system. So obviously we could have this in a reception as an attendance unit, and then we have built in as well that the function keys, they have the business in and business out function there. We also have the end shift function, so at the end of the day you can press the F2 button and that will end your shift. These readers, they are multi-card format, so they support lots of different types of cards, your standard NMD3 format and your HID format. So these N2s are IP67 rated readers, which means they can be used both inside and outside, and they are water resistant. So this is a Suprema W2 reader. This is what we see as more of an access control reader, so it goes on your big heavy duty doors or your turnstiles. You can use this both internal and external, as it is waterproof and it has the vandal proof rating as well. And the good thing about this reader is also PoE, so there's no external power source needed. So these are the Suprema D2 range. We have the slimline one, which is just as we see a replacement for a proximity reader. At the minute we use the Nortec ones, but this is what we're looking to replace them with now. And all these are is just a dumb Wiegand reader, so you just hold a card up to it and it'll give a Wiegand output to whatever piece of hardware it's connected to. We have the same reader there, but just in a fatter form, and then we've got the reader again, which has a keypad on as well. The good thing about these readers as well, the way you configure them, you do it through a mobile app. So you download the app from the App Store, enter your settings into the phone, and you just tap the reader with your phone, it'll send the correct settings down to it. This is the Suprema BioStation A2 reader. It's another biometric reader, but this time it's got a big screen on it, so we normally recommend putting this in a reception area as it looks really nice. And it's also PoE, so you no need for external power source again. This is the Suprema Face Station. We normally use this again as an attendance unit, but it can be used as a slave reader as well. This is ideally used in places where non-contact is required. So you've got your food preparation places, your hospitals, nursing homes, or anywhere where they have gloves on. So with the Suprema readers, we now need to think of how we're going to power the units. So we've come up with this power supply, which we just use to power Suprema readers. It works with all the current Suprema hardware that timeware support, and it can support up to 2 readers at one time. We can also use this as a network pass-through device, so you can get your company's network coming into one side and then going out to the reader on the other side. So when preparing for the job, we'd go on site, we'd do a site survey, and we'd spec out how long we'd need the cable run to be. And then what we do, we go back to UK Electronics and they extend the wires for us. And we do this so we're all using a universal cable for every set of Suprema hardware. They also fit these easy connectors, what plugs directly straight into our power supply unit. But if, say, after the job you got there and you had overextended the wires, you can cut these off and wire directly into the green blocks.